Or there are twice as many kangaroos in Australia as people. I'm going to rely on this website if it's true, but that sounds really made up. What is the most stereotypical fact you could make up about Australia? There are loads of kangaroos. 101 Dalmatians and Peter Pan are the only two Disney animated features in which both parents are present and don't die throughout the movie. Disney films are probably harder than most grown-up films. Every film, someone dies. Up the first 10 minutes. Awful. Finding Nemo, first 5 minutes. Mum. They're like putting kids down a peg before they've got into life. Like, prepare for disappointment. Because someone's gonna die. Ew. There are more bacteria in your mouth than people on Earth. That's comforting, isn't it? An oyster takes 10 years to produce a pearl that is about the size of a pea. Lazy. A snail can sleep for 3 years. What a shit life a snail has. If the population of China walked past you in single file, the line would never end because of the rate of reproduction. But that would be a bit weird to be doing that in a line. I mean, I know queues can be boring, but control yourselves. Over 180 million Cadbury's cream eggs are sold between January and Easter each year. That's more than 3 cream eggs for every man, woman and child in the US. But they do taste good. In the later part of the 18th century, Prussian surgeons treated stutterers by snipping off portions of their tongues. Snipping off a bit of your tongue. Your brain is more active sleeping than it is watching TV. They've never watched Homeland. Here's a cheery little one. 99% of all forms of life that have existed on Earth are now extinct. Ooh. If you add together all the numbers on a roulette wheel, 1 to 36, the total is the mystical number 666, often associated with the devil. Good job, it's all bollocks. Fleas can accelerate 50 times faster than the space shuttle. Well, we know where NASA are going wrong. In Japan, there was a time when a wife being left-handed was a ground for a divorce. Today, the prejudice against lefties has lessened, still not quite equal. Fucking lefties. Of the 5 people that designed the Macintosh computer, 4 were left-handed. So they're coming up. Oh my god, it's all these left-handed facts. According to SAT results, left-handed students have higher maths scores than right-handed students do. So, take that, righties. Most champion fencers are left-handed. I think this is written by a left-handed person who's just really fucking bitter about having to use like the dodgy scissors. More people are killed by donkeys than die in air crashes. So, know what that means? Need to start killing the donkeys. Hershey's Kisses are called that because the machine that makes them looks like it's kissing the conveyor belt. The first couple to be shown in bed together on primetime television were Fred and Wilma Flintstone. Bedrock.